The bridge is 3 years old. The pond is 4 years old. Perhaps the pond is more. There were no frogs the first year. We had to import frog spawn against all the rules. Now we have a thriving population of frogs, and unfortunately we are beset with ducks, so the pond has to be partly netted at this time of year to discourage the ducks from eating all the plants. The only original thing in the garden was this splendid magnolia tree, which I don't know how old it is, but it's certainly a great source of delight in April, as long as there's no frost. All the plants I use in the garden are designed to be bee friendly. They have large open daisies. My husband loves forget-me-nots, so we have a lot of those. And I like tulips in the spring because they're bright and cheerful. We have many wildflowers seed themselves. Last year we had lots and lots of poppies and large daisies. I rather suspect we won't have large poppies and daisies this year because, as you know, poppies are transient and daisies seem to change their minds. Dave, who helps me in the garden, made me this lovely gate to discourage people from going to the beehive. As we all know, bees can be quite grumpy at times. Our little pear tree is now originally twisted into a frame, is now expanding, and we had a lot of pears last year. I hope we have the same this year. I'm growing strawberries in polythene bottles, along with some herbs. It's an experiment I saw on the web. Lots of lovely ideas on the web. As you can tell, I'm hopeless at videoing. My beehive here's my beehive, and probably against everyone's ideas, it's right up against the fence. When I first learned beekeeping, they said bees should be up against a fence, so as they come out of the hive, they shoot upwards and don't bother you. It's really the only place in the garden I can put it, because everywhere else is too close to the hive. Ooh, everyone's a bit cross. We put the box on this morning at 7 o'clock. There seem to be gaps down the side, so I've stuffed it with newspaper. Cardboard. I didn't want the wasps turning up and trying to get in. And we just hope. Oh, there is a wasp. How interesting. Right on cue is a wasp. Actually, it's not a hornet. Anyway, these because the holes are so small, they usually see the wasps off. I can't get around the other side, so you'll have my shadow. Coming back in their droves. I suspect there's a rape field not far away. Seems to be a big palaver there.